Hi, welcome to another episode of Story Time with Ms. B. We have a funny story for you today. This one is called Meow, said the cow, by Emma Dodd. Let's see what happens when a cat on a farm stirs up a little mischief with the rest of the animals. Are you ready? Early one morning, Cat was sleeping, dreaming of hunting, stalking, and leaping, when all of a sudden, out of the blue, cock-a-doodle-doo! This farm is too noisy, yawned the cat. Something needs to be done about that. Cat thought for a while and came up with a trick, for he loved casting spells and doing magic. When the sun rose next morning all pink and red, Rooster, as usual, threw back his head, he puffed out his chest, and opened his beak. And out came the tiniest squeak, squeak, squeak. Ha ha, thought the cat, with a sly little smirk. It seems that my spells are beginning to work. Pig woke next and started yawning, wanting his food, as he did every morning. He stretched his legs, rolled around in the muck, then greedily grunted, cluck, cluck, cluck. The hens got up and peered around. Who was making that clucking sound? It seemed to be coming from the sty. Ah, oink, 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 they cried in reply. Out in the field was more mischief from Cat. The sheep were all barking, roof, roof, and running this way and that. Sheepdog was muddled. It seemed so bizarre. His wolf had gone missing. He could only say, ba, ba, ba. Meow, said the cow. Meow, meow. What has that cat been up to now? The horse was quacking, crack, crack. The ducks were neighing, neigh, neigh. Nobody knew quite what they were saying. Cat's clever plan had got out of hand. The animals were louder than a big brass band. So he crept away for a tasty snack, a mouse or two from the old haystack. By now the animals all could tell that Cat was behind this beastly spell. They were all feeling a little bit cross. It's time to show that cat who's boss. Suddenly, there was a deafening moo. Cat was in trouble. That much he knew. Then all of the animals, small and big, the mice and hens, the clucking pig, the sheep and ducks, dog, cow, and horse, and squeaking rooster too, of course, chased that cat right through the barn, across the yard, out of the farm. Roof, bah, moo, cluck, squeak, meow. Give us back our voices now. What a noise they made, a cacophony, as they chased the cat up the apple tree. There really was an awful din. Okay, said Cat, you win, you win. But you must admit, it has been fun. With the flick of his tail, the spells were undone. All that is, except for one. Now every morning it's Cat instead who opens his mouth and throws back his head. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Well, laughed the animals. Ha ha! That'll teach you. The end. Wasn't that a great story? That was good. Yes, that sly little cat thought he could get away with switching the animal sounds, and look what happened in the end. He ended up doing the cock-a-doodle-doo. Look what happens. When you don't do right, it always comes back to you with consequences. Remember that word? That's a big word, consequences. Yes. So, that was a good story. And look, as I always do, where did Miss B get this book? From the library, darlings, from the library. Yes. And you know what? Speaking of libraries, I know it's summertime. I know you want to sleep all day. I know some of you might be going to summer camp. Some of you might be going swimming. Not a care in the world. But you've got to keep reading. You've got to keep practicing, because when school starts again, you'll be that much farther ahead than some others because you kept that mind engaged. It's okay to play video games, but not all day. Take some time out, at least 30 minutes, to read a book. Do a word game in a book. Crossword puzzle, word search puzzle. Ask your parents to take you to the library so that you can participate in the summer reading program that some of our local libraries have. In the summer reading program, you can read a certain amount of books and earn prizes. Doesn't that sound like fun? Yes, Miss B, it does. Also, it'll give you an opportunity to sign up for a library card if you don't have one. You're going to need one. You're going to need one. Miss B has one. Yes. So I can bring you these fantastic books. So that's all the time we have today. I hope you enjoyed this book. Meow, said the cow, by Emma Dodd. Keep reading. Take care. It's an adventure. It's fun when you read, and it develops your reading skills. So I will see you next time with another fun story. Take care and have a wonderful day.